So, good afternoon, friends. I am Rishikesh. Today, we'll be having our webinar on basically smart equity investments, basically Modern Algos partnership with Choice. So, here we are having Mr. Kunal Parar and Mr. Sanjay Baid with us, who will be explaining us the further details. The topics of the discussion today will be basically the walkthrough to the Modern Algos platform via Choice, then smart equity investment features and its benefits, then tracking investments through a unified dashboard, and the benefits of modern algos basically with choice partnership. So we'll explain you with some ppts and give you the basic details here. Yeah, sure. So we are having our very own Mr. Kunal Prar, the Vice President Technical Research here, with the experience of more than 9 progressive years in the capital market. He had played a vital role here to basically to handle the technical research desk for retail and institute. He is an CFA and from ICFAI University. At present level, he is giving his contribution for developing semi-algo and algo strategies, which can provide ready-to-eat stuff for trading and investments. So basically, he's handling over the research desk and gives his calls and research views about it. He's also having a media presence with CNBC and Bloomberg. Basically, he would be present on these channels to give the viewers about their queries, about his views on the calls and equities, basically, as well as he's also available on the Choice, YouTube channel, which you can just go onto YouTube and you can view his research videos over there. Then we have Mr. Sanjay Kumar Baid, the founder and CEO, Modern Algos Private Limited. Mr. Sanjay Kumar is an MCOM from Osmania University with MS Finance from ISFS, CFA, CMT, and LOMA certified, having experience of more than 10 years in capital market and analysis. So basically, he's basically technically skilled and played a vital role in adopting new technologies in the foundation of modern algos. His relevant qualification in the advisory domain associated with varied experience in innovative trading strategies, induced with intuitive skills, shall keep MAE in unique advisory platform in the coming years. So that was the introduction part of our host and speaker. Over to you, Mr. Kunal. You can just take it over further from here, sir.
Thank you, Rishikesh, for a wonderful introduction. Good evening, friends. Hope you all are doing well. So, friends, today's webinar agenda will be on our new partner product, which is Modern Algo, as already said by Rishikesh. So, we will have in-depth detail about the Modern Algos from Mr. Sanjay Baid. But before that, let me give you a brief about Choice and its Choice and its platform. So, friends, let me give you some brief about Choice. What is Choice? Okay. So, Choice Group incorporated in 1992 is a financial institution which finds legacy in solving financial problem and bridging gaps for individuals, institutions, and government. For past 25 years, Choice is committed to help its client achieve their financial aspirations and promote value creation for society. And friends, Choice is NSE and BSE listed financial firm. And in 2018, Choice launched its online trading app named JFib. And friend, it's like very confidence moment for us that Choice is top 16 broking firm in the industry as per the NSE's active UCC list. As of now, Choice has more than 60 branches in Pan India, while 25,000 associate partners, and that's a very big number. And moreover, apart from this, Choice has 270,000 active clients. So now, friends, let me take you to the platform that Choice is right now providing. So one platform is option strategy based trade. Then trade on research calls, we have expert research named Mr. Sumit Bagadia. Then GT Signal is there, this is and artificial research engine. Okay, then auto trade via ready strategy. Then investing basket. These are the platforms based on which you can go for trading part. Then mutual fund platform is there. Then insurance platform, then loan platform, and bond, FD, and other investment products are as well there. So friends, As we have told you earlier that we have partnered with Modern Algos, but why Modern Algos means what is the requirement as of now? So you can see over here, how can I make my cash trading profitable? That's the first question that we got. How do I go for automated trading? Okay, then how do I go for short term based trading? One more question: how can I go for easy investment? And that's a very basic and most requirement. How can I reshuffle my portfolio? Even that's very basic but more requirement. And how can I make maximum benefit of equity SIP? So friends, these were the questions. This was the questions which can be solved with the help of modern algos. So now I turn to Mr. Sanjay Baid for in-depth detail about modern algos. Mr. Sanjay Baid.
Thank you, Kunal, and thank you, Rishikesh, for your detailed introduction. And you did cover why modern algos. So let me first share my screen. Kunal, you'll have to stop sharing so that I can share my screen.
Yes, sir, I have stopped my screen. Yes, sir, we can see your screen, sir.
All right. Thank you very much. Thank you, everyone, for joining. Namaskar. Um, we'll be covering the investment simplified with modern algos. That is our today's agenda. Though we have other products at Modern Algos, which we'll be covering in the later sessions, but today agenda would be only focused towards smart investment and how you can benefit from equity investments. So over the years, like मैं market पिछले 15 साल से देख रहा हूँ, and I've been an active trader, investor, and I've seen all the journey. So सबसे common question जो market में पूछे जाते हैं या जो एक equity investor को चाहिए कि if I want to invest for a week or if I want to do short term investment, how do I get the idea? And not just idea. See, idea you can get it, you can research yourself, you can follow an expert. So the ideas are available in the market. For us, the main important point what we have at Modern Algos, not getting an idea, but how do you manage the idea? See, आपको एंट्री करने में जितना मेरा 15 साल का एक्सपीरियंस है उसके ऊपर मैं ये बोल सकता हूँ, एंट्री करने में कोई तकलीफ नहीं होती है. एंट्री इज वेरी इजी, बट हाउ डू यू मैनेज द एग्जिट? Do you have the predefined logic for your exit? Mostly we do mistake at the time of exit, not at the time of entry. So that is one of the issue what we are solving at Modern Algos, that how you can automate your entry and exit both, so that you'll be out of greed, fear, and at the time of market movement which is not in your favor, so you get influence. So all of those things you'll be able to uh, probably remove from your trading if you are at Modern Algos platform. Then सबसे important question आता है कि yes, I have surplus fund which I won't directly want to invest in equity market, but कौन से stocks में करूं? एंड चलो आपने ये आइडेंटिफाई कर लिया कि अभी पिछले 3 महीने से ये सेक्टर अच्छा कर रहा है या ये कंपनीज अच्छा परफॉर्म कर रही है. लार्ज कैप में ज्यादा कोई आपके पास ऐसा है नहीं कि यू विल नॉट बी एबल टू डू द एनालिसिस. सो 100 और कंपनीज विल बी देयर हु आर हैविंग अ मार्केट कैप ऑफ अबाउट 50,000 करोड़. चलो आपने वो एनालिसिस करके यू कुड हैव आइडेंटिफाइड 10-15 stocks. But then how do you manage those things? It's not that 10-15 stocks what you've selected today will continue performing the same way, the way they are performing last 6 months. So there has to be an automation in the stock picking. So that is one of the problem what we are solving at Modern Algos. Like if you want to create a portfolio, it will be like a 1 minute job for you. You have to come to the platform, do 2 or 3 clicks, and you are invested in a portfolio. It's not ending there. Once you have a portfolio created with Modern Algos, इसके बाद सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट चीज वो होती है कि आप मोमेंटम स्टॉक्स में बने रहे. जो स्टॉक्स परफॉर्म करते हैं आप कंटिन्यूसली उन्हीं में इन्वेस्टेड रहे. बिकॉज पोर्टफोलियो इन्वेस्टिंग और बास्केट बाइंग, आई कॉल इट एज ए स्टॉक इन्वेस्टिंग. आप जब 10 स्टॉक्स को मिला के एक बास्केट बना देते हो तो आपके लिए वो एक स्टॉक बन जाता है. सो आपको उस स्टॉक के साथ कंटिन्यूसली you have to do analysis whether you want to stick to it or you want to do any kind of reshuffling. Then the part which comes is rebalancing. So how you can do auto rebalancing using modern algos, and how the alerts will be generated, how you'll be communicated those things, and how you'll be able to perform those without any hassle. So that is one of the important part when you create a portfolio. The first thing, how you can create a portfolio. that we are solving. And then once you create a portfolio, probably after quarter or 2 quarter, you may have further investment to make in the same basket. That also you can do it on a just a single click. Once your investments are live tracked, and every month we'll be reviewing your portfolio and we'll be generating rebalancing alerts. वो रीबैलेंसिंग अलर्ट्स आपको कैसे आपको आएगा? यू विल बी नोटिफाइड ऑन व्हाट्सएप, एसएमएस एंड ईमेल. उसके बाद आपको खाली प्लेटफॉर्म पे आना है. वंस यू कम टू द प्लेटफॉर्म, ऑन इक्विटी डैशबोर्ड आपको एक रीबैलेंस बटन दिखेगा, उस पे आपको क्लिक करना है. दीज ऑल थिंग्स आई विल बी कवरिंग इन डिटेल वंस वी लॉग इनटू द प्लेटफॉर्म, but I'm just giving a nutshell so that you'll be able to understand what all areas we are going to cover in this webinar. देन सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट चीज एक ये होती है, इफ यू हैव इन्वेस्टमेंट मोर देन 5 to 10 लाख रुपीज. ठीक है, अगर आप 5-10 लाख रुपए इन्वेस्ट करना चाहते हो मार्केट में, डेफिनेटली यू विल नॉट इन्वेस्ट इन अ सिंगल स्टॉक. that is like probably if you are into equity market since you've been trading or you've been investing in equity market, इतना तो सभी को पता है कि I should not put all my money into a single stock. Excuse me. Same way, we've been asked a question by many of the users कि जब मैं एक स्टॉक में 5 या 10 लाख रुपए मेरा इन्वेस्टमेंट है, मैं एक स्टॉक में डालता हूं, तो व्हाई डू आई पुट 5 or 10 लाख रुपीज इन सिंगल बास्केट? तो वो भी हमने सॉल्व किया मॉडर्न एल्गोस में, एंड द प्रोडक्ट नेम इज एल्गो बास्केट्स. वी विल कवर दैट हाउ यू कैन आल्सो डाइवर्सिफाई among the baskets so that the returns and the chances of you be whenever the market goes into a negative direction, and chances that you'll be uh, going down less than the market. So that is the primary focus what we have at Modern Algos, that when the market is not favorable, when market is not going in our direction, how we can limit the losses what we are going to get in the portfolio. And then, of course, we have various theme baskets, which are also very, very important. Like there'll be investors who are keen to invest in a particular sector. Let's say I feel that based on my analysis or based on what I read, I think the IT industry or financial market is going to do well in the coming years. Then you can also select a theme-driven basket, where if you select a basket specific to IT industry, आपका पूरा investment will only go to IT stocks. Now let's get into the platform and see how all of these things can be done. So it's an investment solution for all kind of investors, whether you want to do a short-term trade, a momentum trade, or you want to create your basket-driven trading. You can do it for a mid-term to long-term time frame as well. So now this is Choice and Modern Algos integrated page, where you can see you have a login with Choice button. I'm showing how you can access Modern Algos. So you have to simply go. Let me do it from beginning. You have to simply type choice.modernalgos.com. You will come to this page. Here you will have your login button. आप अपना चॉइस यूजर आईडी पासवर्ड यहाँ पे डालिए. Enter your password. जैसे ही लॉगिन सक्सेस होगा, you will be redirected to Modern Algos product page. This is our test account, so I have also initiated a rebalancing message here so that I'll be able to cover that as well also. So we have three category of products which we have integrated with choice broking. One is equity, algo, and options. Today we'll be covering only equity part, and in the coming days we'll also venture into options tools, option strategy building, what kind of scanners we have in options, how you can analyze option chain analytics, and how you can automate entire option trading so that your entry and exit both will be managed automatically and you don't have to initiate any trade manually. वो अपन like we will cover in some other session. So today our focus is into equity segment. So in equity we have 6 different products: active portfolio, weekly portfolio. They are basically for the short term and momentum based trading. Then we have equity SIP, equity baskets, theme baskets, and algo baskets. Now let me cover one by one. In active portfolio, we normally do what we do at Modern Algo. इसमें दिन में एक ही सिग्नल आएगा and that will come around 3:15. Yes, ये out of 200 stocks ये स्कैन करता है कि कहाँ पे सबसे बेहतरीन मोमेंटम ब्रेकआउट हो रहा है. मोमेंटम ब्रेकआउट डजंट मीन कि आगे आने वाले टाइम में वो ही स्टॉक ज्यादा रन करेगा. मोमेंटम ब्रेकआउट हमारा डिफिनेशन ये है कौन सा स्टॉक रिलेटिवली बेंचमार्क से अच्छा परफॉर्म कर रहा है और उसका रिस्क वर्सेस रिवॉर्ड रेशियो क्या है. आई नॉट गो मोर इनटू द टेक्निकल. सो आपके लिए यहाँ पे वो स्टॉक ऑटोमेटिकली फिल्टर होके आएगा एट 3:15. आपको अगर इसमें ट्रेड करना है तो आप इसको यहाँ पे ऑटो ट्रेड पे क्लिक कीजिए. आप अपना अमाउंट यहाँ पे डाल सकते हो कि कितना अमाउंट के लिए आपको एंटर करना है. And then you can also enter your profit and loss amount. If you want to have your own specific profit and loss, you can enter. Otherwise, Modern Algos का trailing stop loss, trailing target logic will kick in and we will manage your trade automatically. आपको खाली हर दिन सवेरे एक बार लॉगिन करना है so that we have your renewed API token. With that, we will be computing and managing entire position what you have at Modern Algos. And इसमें how it had performed in the past, what are the stocks which have come. So for that, we have given a historical performance link. From there, you can download all the trades. You can go to charts. You can check at what time the signal was generated and then what happened in that particular signal. एक चीज यहाँ में ध्यान रखने की ये है कि आर फोकस इज नॉट ऑन एक्यूरेसी. सो आप ये पूछोगे कि एक्यूरेसी क्या है और कितना परसेंटेज एक्यूरेसी है. हमारा फोकस है रिटर्न्स पे. ये हो सकता है कि आउट ऑफ 10 कॉल्स 7 कॉल्स वी आर एग्जिटिंग एट 2% लॉस, वो जो 3 कॉल वी विल होल्ड इट एंड वी विल राइट द ट्रेंड मे एंड अप गेटिंग 12, 15 और 16% returns in a single trade. So वो आप clearly देख सकते हो. Since we are a SEBI registered entity, we will not go much into the return specific discussions. That detail you can go and check, and if you have any specific questions, you can come back to us on our WhatsApp support or on our support mail ID. We'll be able to help you on that. So basically यहाँ पे what we are solving, we are giving you a momentum signal and the holding period maximum will be a week to 2 weeks or max 3 weeks. If the trend is continuing, then sometime a stock can continue riding the trend and trailing stop loss अगर trigger नहीं होगा तो continuously position में रहेगा. And here entire your trade will be managed with the trailing stop loss and trailing profit. So once the trailing profit hits, automatically आपका trailing stop loss इसमें change होते रहेगा. In the same way, we have weekly portfolio. Weekly portfolio में how different we are from the active portfolio. Active portfolio gives more importance to relative strength analysis, wherein like we compare each stock momentum with the benchmark. जबकि वीकली पोर्टफोलियो में मोर फोकस इज टुवर्ड्स टेक्निकल ब्रेकआउट्स, जहां पे हम देखते हैं कि ये वीक में कौन से स्टॉक अच्छा परफॉर्म कर सकते हैं. एंड इसके अंदर अगर आपका स्टॉप लॉस ट्रिगर या टारगेट ट्रिगर नहीं होगा तो जो पोजीशन आपकी मंडे एंटर हुई है automatically Friday by 3:10 it will be liquidated. It's only a purely weak holding. And in this also you can go and check all the historical data. I should not be talking about the returns, otherwise I could have covered that as well. But if you have any specific questions, we can solve one-to-one basis. So these are the two products what we have, which will help you to find the opportunities for the short term or for a week to a 2-week holding period. Now let me cover our model portfolio and theme portfolio. I'll not take more than 10-15 minutes to cover all the products so that we can go and discuss more on the questions what you have. So these are model portfolios what we have at Modern Algos. Now, what different are we doing and why you should take Modern Algos portfolio? There are a couple of reasons. पहली बात, यहाँ पे जो भी पोर्टफोलियो आपको दिखाई देगा, it is not human driven. ये रूल बेस्ड एल्गोरिदम बेस्ड है. सिस्टम डिसाइड करता है कौन सा स्टॉक पिक करना है, कौन सा स्टॉक पिक नहीं करना. देयर इज नो ह्यूमन बीइंग जो ये बैठ के डिसाइड कर रहा है कि इस पोर्टफोलियो के स्टॉक लिस्ट में क्या होना चाहिए. पहली बात. दूसरी बात, every day, once we get a bhav copy from exchange, system will do BOD process. Based on that, if there are any revision, will be automatically updated in the basket. So ये नहीं है कि एक particular date पे ही portfolio review होगा, portfolio day to day basis पे review होता है. So अगर आपने कोई blue chip basket मॉडर्न आर्गोस से लिया है आज, हो सकता है उसमें एक स्टॉक हो और कल वो नहीं हो, but you don't have to worry because उसका continuously tracking will be there in the modern algos. Whenever it's required, rebalancing alert will be fired to you, and you will have to only click on the rebalancing alert. Now इसकी जर्नी कैसे स्टार्ट होती है? तो अभी if you want to see, we have categorized into various themes and models here. So अगर आपको लार्ज कैप में इन्वेस्ट करना है, you can simply pick blue chip basket. अगर आपको मिड कैप में करना है, you can go to growth basket. Only small cap companies, you can go to value basket. So like that, we have created the combinations, and it is clearly written here. If you read a single line, you'll be able to understand कि इसके अंदर कौन से कैटेगरी के स्टॉक्स रहेंगे. Now, if you see wealth generator, it's a combination of mid, small, and large. All three categories are mixed, and based on that, the portfolio is created. Minimum investment is also clearly indicated here, and you can see what is the CAGR return over a period of a year. And these are the results what we are showing on the platform. They are the results once the portfolio went live on Modern Algos platform. Now, what details you will get once you click on this? So you click here, you will be shown. Let me cover blue chip basket so that will be very easy for everybody to understand. So in blue chip, only large cap stocks will come. You can see the portfolio went live on 2nd of 1st February 2021. Since then, we are showing the performance here. On this page, you'll be able to see the minimum investment, what are the various performance ratios, and then the minimum investment will automatically populate here. You can edit if you want to increase it, but minimum will be 126, which is required. Then you click on show MAE stock weightage. Once you do that, you'll come to a page where the company name will be displayed to you. And we have also given a peer comparison here, जिससे आप ये देख सकते हो कि जो मॉडर्न आल्गोस का स्टॉक सेलेक्ट हो रहा है, how that is performing within the sector. So green bars are those bars which are selected in Modern Algos portfolio, and this is for your comparison. अब आपके पास यहाँ पे दो ऑप्शन है, या तो आप जो रिकमेंडेड एलोकेशन मॉडर्न आल्गोस का सिस्टम डिजाइन कर रहा है वो आप ले सकते हो, और अगर आप ये बोलते हो नो आई डोंट वांट टू टेक मॉडर्न आल्गोस परसेंटेज एलोकेशन, यू कैन allocate equally. So once you click on allocate equally, all stocks will have equal percentage. So that is up to you. You can decide. And if you come at the bottom, it will show कौन से sector में कितना percentage है. All of those data you can see. And now comes the execution part. For execution, you don't have to do anything. You only have to click on execute. It will do a fund validation. If you have a sufficient balance with your broker account, I mean in your choice account, then the order will automatically fire. So once your portfolio is traded, now the next important part which comes is how do I track it? How do I see the performance? How do I see when do I have to do the rebalancing? So for all of that, you simply have to click on equity dashboard. And this is my test account, so I created a test portfolio here just to showcase all the functionalities. यहाँ पे आप देखेंगे जो भी पोर्टफोलियो आपका ट्रेड हो चुका है, that will come in live basket. You can have as many as portfolios you want to have, and then each portfolio wise it will show all the details, what is amount investment, what is the current value, percentage returns, and if there is any dividend which is declared in these stocks, वो भी आपको यहाँ पे दिखाई देगा. And then अगर आपको इसी पोर्टफोलियो में थोड़े दिन बाद वापस इन्वेस्टमेंट करना है, you click on add investment. It will automatically populate the minimum investment amount of that particular basket, जिसको आप जो भी अमाउंट बढ़ाना चाहे बढ़ा के you can submit, and once you have a sufficient balance in your choice account, it will go through the RMS and the trades will take place. जो मैं रीबैलेंस की बात कर रहा था वो आपको दिखाने के लिए I have enabled the rebalance option here. Suppose आज आपने पोर्टफोलियो बनाया on 5th of September. 4th of October, system will auto scan for you. The entire portfolio review will happen. And उसके बेसिस पे जो भी बाय या सेल करना चाहिए वो आपको ऐसा रीबैलेंस बटन इक्विटी डैशबोर्ड पे आएगा, आपको उस पर क्लिक करना है। क्लिक करने के बाद सिस्टम ये चेक करेगा कि आपका अकाउंट पीओए enabled है या नहीं है। अगर नहीं है तो आपको एक पॉपअप आएगा, दिस अकाउंट इज नॉट POA enabled, so it is showing kindly go and authenticate your CDSL TPIN so that sell orders will not reject. And if you are a POA enabled client, this message will not come. Then you click on the proceed. When you click on the proceed, it will check for the market hours. If you are not within the market hours, then it will not allow you to send any orders. Otherwise, a buy and sell window will open. From there, you can see what is the total sell value, what is the total buy value, and your order will be pushed to the market. Here on the bottom, you'll be able to see stock-wise performance in that basket. अगर एक बास्केट में 10 स्टॉक है तो स्टॉक वाइज भी परफॉर्मेंस आप यहाँ पे नीचे देख सकते हो। एंड एक बार जिस दिन आपने पोर्टफोलियो क्रिएट किया उसके नेक्स्ट डे से आपको यहाँ पे बेंचमार्क वर्सेस मॉडर्न आल्गोस परफॉर्मेंस का भी कंपैरेटिव चार्ट चालू हो जाएगा। एंड बिलो दैट द पोर्टफोलियो व्हाट यू हैव सिलेक्टेड उसका सेक्टर वाइज वेटेज दिखाता रहेगा। यहाँ पे सिंस इट इज अ फार्मा पोर्टफोलियो सो 100% इज इनटू फार्मा। The next important part, see, there is no lock-in for any of the portfolio what we have at Modern Algos. Whenever you want to simply click on exit basket, you can completely exit or you can also do partial exit from Modern Algos. If you want to change your rebalancing time period, you are allowed to do, you can select 1 month, 3 months, 6 months as per your choice. And then if you want to add any other basket, you can simply click on add portfolio. Apart from that, what we have on this equity dashboard page, if you want to save a particular basket of Modern Algos and track it for a week or 10 days before you want to execute, you can save a basket and you can track the save basket here. Once you are satisfied, you can execute from this page itself. एंड आपने कोई बास्केट एंटर किया और मैंने देखा है काफी लोग क्या करते हैं बास्केट को भी आजकल इक्विटी ट्रेडिंग या स्टॉक ट्रेडिंग की तरह यूज कर रहे हैं कि एक बास्केट लिया 4 से 5% रिटर्न बना उसको एग्जिट कर दिया, वेट फॉर मार्केट टू कम डाउन और वेट फॉर मार्केट टू कंसोलिडेट, फिर वापस एंटर करते हैं। सो टू शो व्हाट यू हैव एंटर्ड व्हाट यू हैव एग्जिटेड एट मॉडर्न आल्गोस, यू कैन गो टू एग्जिटेड बास्केट। यहाँ पे जो बास्केट्स आपने एग्जिट करे हैं बाय करके सेल किए हैं उसका आपको कंप्लीट लिस्ट दिखाता रहेगा, उसमें कितना रिटर्न बना था, कब एंटर किया था, all of that data you can see. And this option we have given on the user you can say regular demand कि हम एक ही जगह ट्रैक करना चाहते हैं कि जो अगर हमारी कोई एग्जिस्टिंग होल्डिंग है चॉइस के अंदर जो हम अपलोड करके एक साथ एक ही डैशबोर्ड पे ट्रैक करना चाहते हैं, you can do it, you can upload your holding here if you wish to track everything at one go, that's up to you. And this trade book is only specific for the trade date. जब आप अपना कोई बास्केट एग्जीक्यूट करोगे तो उसमें पूरा एग्जीक्यूशन हुआ है, any rejection happened, all of those data you can check here in the trade book the day when you send the orders from Modern Algos. अब चलते हैं अपन to discuss on theme basket. Theme basket are more or like the flow is same like model portfolios. Only difference is that here they are governed by a particular theme. जैसे robotics है, it will only invest in IT stocks. If you talk about wellness basket, it will only invest in pharma and pharma-related companies. If you talk about wheel and vehicles basket, auto ancillary. So probably I don't need to cover this. It is like you can just simply go through and you'll be able to understand. So only for the user who want to invest through a theme, they can choose any of the theme. And I think all the top performing or all the top sectors are covered into these themes. So 85 to 90% the sector specific dimensions what we have in the market are being covered in these themes. And the other flagship product what we have at Modern Algos, and this is only created based on user feedback, and this was not a product which we have planned when we initially launched the platform. So I'm very happy to share this that we are getting these valuable feedback from the users. So the feedback was कि अगर मैं जैसे आपको पीपीटी में मैंने कवर किया कि मेरे को 20 लाख रुपए इन्वेस्ट करना है at Modern Algos, तो मैं एक ही बास्केट में नहीं डालना चाहूंगा. And then if I have to segregate into baskets, then I have to do analysis myself. So why can't you give me a list of baskets which I can enter into, and उसके बाद वो सिंगल बास्केट की तरह ट्रीट होना चाहिए. सो उसके लिए हमने क्या किया, वी डिजाइन एन एल्गो बास्केट. यहाँ पे आपको खाली कुछ नहीं करना है, आपको ये बताना है कि आप कितने टाइम पीरियड के लिए पोर्टफोलियो क्रिएट करना चाहते हो. लेट्स से आई से 6 months to 1 year, एंड वंस यू क्लिक ऑन सबमिट, इट विल टेक यू टू दिस पेज. यहाँ पे दिखाएगा कि ये टाइम फ्रेम के लिए आपका इन 3 बास्केट में डाइवर्सिफाई होकर पैसा इन्वेस्ट होगा. अगर आपको ये 6 months to 1 year के टाइम फ्रेम में इन्वेस्ट करना है तो रिक्वायर्ड 7 लाख रुपीज मिनिमम इन्वेस्टमेंट. एंड यहाँ पे आपको ये एल्गो पोर्टफोलियो कैसा परफॉर्म किया है इन द पास्ट एंड मार्केट रिटर्न्स क्या रहे हैं इन 1 year, इट विल शो हियर. वंस यू से स्टार्ट इन्वेस्टमेंट, इट विल गो इनटू द सेव बास्केट. यहाँ पे आपको सिंगल बास्केट क्रिएट होके उसका नाम बन जाएंगे एल्गो बास्केट. इससे क्या होगा, आपको मल्टीपल रीबैलेंसिंग भी नहीं करना पड़ेगा, आपको मल्टीपल टाइम्स पोर्टफोलियो ट्रैक भी नहीं करना पड़ेगा, एंड सिस्टम बैकएंड से ऑटोमेटिकली रिव्यू करता रहेगा कि इस अभी जब रीबैलेंसिंग पुश होगा उस टाइम पे कौन से बास्केट्स को सिस्टम पिक करेगा, और आपका जो ऑलरेडी क्रिएटेड बास्केट है उसके साथ कंपेयर करके जो भी सेल एंड बाय ऑर्डर बनेंगे वो आपको सिस्टम अलग से पुश कर देगा. सो दिस इज हाउ यू विल बी एबल टू मैनेज योर मनी, मैनेज योर फंड मोर इफिशिएंटली, जहां पे आपको बास्केट वाइज नहीं सेलेक्ट करना पड़ेगा, एंड यू कैन directly go to any of the algo basket. This is your choice. If you want to select basket level, you are free to do that. But for your ease of management or for your ease of investing, we have created algo baskets. And equity SIP is a very simple product. If you don't want to invest in mutual fund directly, and if you want to invest in equity, you can simply select equity SIP and you can contribute every month into equity SIP. So these are the products what we have on the smart investment in equity segment. So now, Kunal, I think we probably should go and take more questions so that it will be more interactive to all of us. Over to you, Kunal. Okay. Okay.
Yes, sir. Give me a minute. We'll take a question. So,
Okay.
friends, hope you can see my screen as well.
Yes, your screen is visible.
Okay. So again, मैं आपको ये बता दूं कि आप कैसे मॉडर्न एल्गो को एक्सेस कर सकते हो. फॉर दैट यू नीड टू फर्स्ट लॉग इन टू योर जीफी अकाउंट. आप जैसे एक बार लॉग इन कर लेते हो, यहाँ पे आपको मोर में, जैसे आप लॉग इन करोगे लैंडिंग पेज पे आपको मोर दिखेगा. मोर में जैसे आप क्लिक करोगे आपको नीचे में एक पार्टनर प्रोडक्ट का ऑप्शन आएगा. पार्टनर प्रोडक्ट में आपको मॉडर्न एल्गो दिखेगा एंड फ्रॉम देयर यू कैन गो टू द मॉडर्न एल्गो. एंड अगर आपको वहां पे नहीं जाना है तो आप डायरेक्टली भी choice.modernalgos.com पे क्लिक करके वहां पे जाके डायरेक्टली लॉग इन कर सकते हो. नाउ फ्रेंड्स, एक इंपॉर्टेंट बात जो मैं आपको यहाँ पे बताना चाहता हूँ, दैट हाउ यू कैन अवेल इट. मतलब मैं ये प्रोडक्ट आप कैसे एक्सेस कर सकते हो. सो फ्रेंड्स, लेट मी टेल यू वन थिंग एंड इट्स सरप्राइज फॉर यू ऑल. यस, एंड ये एक बहुत बड़ी बात है आप लोगों के लिए. इट्स होप यू कैन सी दिस स्क्रीन. संजय जी, स्क्रीन दिख रही है आपको भी? हमारे सारे क्लाइंट को, जितने भी लोग जुड़े हैं, सबको स्क्रीन दिख रही है. इट्स टोटली फ्री फॉर आवर चॉइस क्लाइंट. यस, ये फ्री प्रोडक्ट है हमारे जितने भी चॉइस के क्लाइंट है सबके लिए. एंड बहुत ही बढ़िया संजय जी ने मॉडर्न एल्गो के जो यूनिक फीचर है पर्टिकुलरली इक्विटी को लेके उसके बारे में डिटेल में समझाया है कि आप कैसे ऑटो ट्रेड कर सकते हो अगर आपके पास एक सेट नंबर ऑफ अमाउंट है, एंड आप कैसे वीकली पोर्टफोलियो मैनेज कर सकते हो, एंड उसके बाद आप बास्केट को या जो प्री डिफाइन जो बास्केट उसको आप कैसे रीबैलेंस कर सकते हो. तो संजय जी, आपका बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया, आपने सारा का सारा इन डेप्थ डिटेल में हमें बताया उसके लिए. एंड नाउ वी आर रेडी टू टेक द क्वेश्चन एज वेल. So,
should we go to the chat box and see these questions, or how we're going to do that?
Yes, Sanjay ji, we can go through this chat box as well.
So let me go through the chat box, and if there is any confusion, I'll come back to you. So, which a suitable time to buy a share or sell a share with small risk? Oh wow, very good question. There is no specific answer to this because it is very subjective to individual. My answer would be that whatever I do, if I'm convinced to buy something based on whether fundamental analysis, technical analysis, or quant analysis, any kind of analysis, for me, important part is that the exit what I have in my mind, am I able to take that much of risk or not? If yes, then that is a time when I go and buy it, and I place my sell order in terms of stop loss and target in advance. If I'm trailing it, that also I define at the time of entry. सबसे important चीज आई एम ऑलवेज गिविंग दिस फोकस इन ऑल ऑफ माय वेबिनार्स कि आप जब एंट्री करते हो तभी आपका एग्जिट डिसाइडेड होना चाहिए. एंड with my experience with my experience I can tell you, जब आप ये प्रैक्टिस करोगे you will see a change in your returns. So that's my submission for the questions. And the next question, can we do intraday on index? Yes, you can do it through our option product, which probably will talk to Kunal and team to get one more webinar so that we can cover algo trading and option trading in detail, because that would require a lot of participations, as well as a lot of, like, we'll have to have a little more time to discuss on those things. And the next, can this software used for trading in options? Will we get any signals from the software or placing orders? Can I put stop loss target for option at the time when the, yes, Nand Kumar, that is what the objective of Modern Algos. And since it is totally free for you choice customers, and this is only our only partnership where we are offering our product free for choice broking. So they have done a fantastic work for us. They have hosted us within their application, and they have also done SSO implementation so that once you are logged into a Zifi app, आपको दोबारा लॉगिन भी नहीं करना पड़े. और सिंस आपके पास लॉगिन ऑलरेडी है नंद कुमार जी, तो आप क्या कर सकते हो, आप ऑप्शन के प्रोडक्ट्स में जो भी हमारे वेरियस फंक्शनलिटीज है आप उनको देख सकते हो. आपके अगर कोई भी क्वेश्चंस हो गए, देन यू कैन कम बैक टू माय सपोर्ट टीम, और यू कैन रीच आउट टू choice team as well. They are also very acquainted about modern algos products, because we've been testing for last couple of weeks. So definitely you can access those things. Now I'll move to the next question. Kishore Hegde, how is it different from small case? Very nice questions. Very nice question. Small case, it's a marketplace. First thing, they have many RAs who are providing baskets over there, and each have their own way of analysis. Our differentiation from small case is that we review portfolio on day-to-day basis. We do monthly rebalancing that is also based on your existing portfolio. I don't know how it will be done at small case. Third important point is that we are only focusing on our baskets. We are keep on improving the performance of the stock picking, which probably I think small case will more rely on the RA, because that is not in their control. So definitely we are focused towards stock picking and maximizing returns. And small case is a tech platform where you get all of these baskets which you can choose from. And then if you have larger amount to invest, you'll have to find a appropriate basket for yourself in small case. But here we have also done that as an algo basket, where more than 2 3 baskets will be combined together, so that the rebalancing and everything will be very easy for you. I hope I answer your question. Then if you have any more comparison or any more details required, definitely write back to us. We'll come back to you. How much is the fee? That I think Kunal has already covered. That's free for choice customers.
संजय जी,
Yes.
यस, ऑलरेडी 3 से 4 क्वेश्चन ऑप्शन के ऊपर आ गए हैं. एंड लोगों को पर्टिकुलरली ऑप्शन एंड इंडेक्स में काफी इंटरेस्ट रहता है. तो अगर आप थोड़ा बहुत ऑप्शन के बारे में बता सको कि हम जो नेक्स्ट वेबिनार लेके आने वाले उसमें आप ऑप्शन में क्या कवर करोगे, और हमारे पास फिलहाल की प्रोडक्ट में ऑप्शन के लिए उनके पास क्या क्या फीचर्स अवेलेबल है, तो थोड़ा बहुत अगर आप दिखा सको या थोड़ा ब्रीफ बता सको तो उनके लिए बहुत अच्छा हो जाएगा नेक्स्ट वेबिनार के लिए.
ठीक है, तो मैं I'll just quickly cover one thing what we have in options. ऑप्शंस, आपको सबसे पहला क्वेश्चन क्या है कि ऑप्शंस में हाउ डू आई गेट अ राइट स्ट्रेटजी. कुछ नहीं करना है, क्लिक ऑन स्प्रेड स्ट्रेटजीज. यहाँ पे आपको हर 10 मिनट में सिस्टम स्कैन करके जो स्ट्रेटजीज बेस्ट पॉसिबल है एज पर मॉडर्न एल्गोस एल्गोरिदम इन इंडेक्स एंड इन स्टॉक्स आपको यहाँ पे दिखाएगा. आप इसको पेपर ट्रेड कर सकते हो, आप इसको एनालाइज कर सकते हो, आप इसको मैनुअल ट्रेड कर सकते हो, आप इसको ऑटो ट्रेड भी कर सकते हो. फॉर पेपर ट्रेड यू जस्ट हैव टू क्लिक ऑन सेव. फॉर मैनुअल ट्रेड you have to click on trade. If you want to automate, you click on analyze. जैसे आप एनालाइज पे क्लिक करोगे, ये आपको मॉडर्न एल्गोस के ऑप्शन स्ट्रेटेजी बिल्डर पेज पे लेके आएगा, जहां पे पूरा डेटा प्री पॉपुलेट हो जाएगा. फिर आप यहाँ पे नीचे ये देख सकते हो कि अपफ्रंट मार्जिन कितनी लगनी है, हेज बेनिफिट के बाद कितना मार्जिन लगना है, ये स्ट्रेटेजी का आरओआई क्या है, व्हाट आर द टोटल डेल्टास ऑफ दिस स्ट्रेटेजी एंड लेग वाइज डेल्टा क्या थे. एंड देन टॉप ऑफ इट यू कैन ऑल्सो सी कि गिव मी अ सेकेंड.
संजय जी,
हाँ जी.
एक बार अगर जो आपने बोला है उसका एक अगर स्प्रेड स्ट्रेटेजी वाला जो एक बार अगर आप स्क्रीन एक बार दिखा दो तो बहुत ही बढ़िया रहेगा, ताकि लोगों को आइडिया आ जाए.
कौन सा वाला?
अभी जैसे आपने स्प्रेड स्ट्रेटेजी बताया कि हर टाइम वीक में वो चीज पर्टिकुलरली अपडेट होती है एंड इट्स
हाँ.
लाइक रेडी
तो
टू ईट. तो
ओके,
उनके लिए, हाँ,
तो
तो
आप यहाँ पे जैसे ही लॉग इन करोगे, ये पेज पे आओगे, क्लिक ऑन एल्गो ट्रेडिंग. यहाँ पे आपको
आपका स्क्रीन सेंड नहीं है संजय जी.
ओहो, दैट इज द ओके, आई एम सो
मैं
सॉरी.
स्टॉप करता हूँ यहाँ से, आप कर लीजिए संजय जी स्क्रीन
ओके
से.
ओके ओके, so I was just going in the flow.
नो वरी.
Anyways, so once you come to the platform, आपका लॉगिन होते ही आप यहाँ पे एल्गो ट्रेडिंग पे क्लिक कीजिए. पहला ऑप्शन है स्प्रेड स्ट्रेटेजीज. तो मैं फ्लो में पूरा कवर कर गया. एनीवेज आई विल शो द एवरीथिंग अगेन. यहाँ पे एवरी 10 मिनट्स सिस्टम विल स्कैन, विल डिस्प्ले द स्प्रेड स्ट्रेटेजीज इन इंडेक्स एंड इन स्टॉक ऑल्सो. ये क्या करता है, हमारे एल्गोरिदम में मोर देन 1000+ कॉम्बिनेशन स्ट्रेटेजीज आर रनिंग. उसमें से जो बेस्ट पॉसिबल रिस्क रिवॉर्ड है एंड प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ सक्सेस है, उसके बेसिस पे यहाँ पे इंडेक्स और स्टॉक्स के स्प्रेड स्ट्रेटेजीज को यहाँ पे लिस्ट करता है. यहाँ पे लिस्ट करने के पहले लिक्विडिटी भी चेक होगा, वॉल्यूम है नहीं है वो चेक होगा, स्ट्राइक सिलेक्शन के बाद उस स्ट्राइक में कुछ काम हो रहा है या ट्रेड होगी नहीं होगी, वो सब पैरामीटर चेक होके यहाँ पे लिस्ट होगा. इसके बाद आप तीन चीज कर सकते हो. यहाँ से आप यहाँ से पेपर ट्रेड कर सकते हो. पेपर ट्रेड के लिए आप सेव पे क्लिक कीजिए. अगर आपको ऑटोमेट करना है तो आपको एनालाइज पे टिक करना है. अगर आपको मैनुअल ट्रेड करना है तो आपको ट्रेड पे टिक करना है. ट्रेड पे टिक करते क्या होगा, आपके पास ऐसा ऑर्डर बुक खुल जाएगा. आपको प्लेस ऑर्डर पे हिट करना है. जब प्लेस ऑर्डर पे हिट करोगे आप, तो ये आपका ऑर्डर इज सेंड टू योर चॉइस अकाउंट. अभी बिफोर आई गो टू अदर ऑप्शन, लेट मी शो टू यू कि ये ट्रेड हुआ या नहीं हुआ. इसके लिए आपको आपके जीफी अकाउंट में भी देख सकते हो, नहीं तो आप कैन सिंपली गो टू ऑर्डर बुक एट मॉडर्न आल्गोस and it will clearly show that only AMO allowed in AMO timing for segment. So this is the gateway rejection what we received from choice RMS system which we are showing here. अगर ये सक्सेस हो जाएगा, कंप्लीट हो जाएगा, तो आपको क्लियरली यहाँ पे स्टेटस दिखाई देगा. अब आपकी बात होगी मेरा ट्रेड हो गया, ट्रेड के बाद में मेरी पोजीशन कैसे ट्रैक करूं. तो उसके लिए आपको नेट पोजीशन पे जाना है. यहाँ पे ऑप्शन पे टिक कीजिए. आपका जो भी स्ट्रेटेजी ऑप्शन में ट्रेड होगी वहां पे क्लियरली यहाँ पे दिखाई देगी एंड यू कैन ट्रैक योर टोटल पीएल फ्रॉम हियर. And then you have various other products wherein like you can define your trailing target and trailing stop loss at a leg wise, at a strategy wise, and you can also define the overall profit, overall stop loss. You can define your lock the profit and trail the profit. There are various options which I would say you can probably go and review all of this. And when we conduct a new session, we will cover everything in detail. And of course, we have a scalping, which is our flagship product, where you can do scalping based on future points, based on spot points, based on delta change. And if you want to do a continuous buy sell without a target and stop loss parameter, that also you can do it from our continuous buy sell options. So I think Kunalji, when we go into a next session, we'll have, because when we talk about options, we'll have to have charts and the trend identifier. Then we have to have a lot of examples so that everybody will get connected and they'll also get to know how they can find a trend, and then based on that how well they can devise a option strategy, and then how they can automate. So all of these three things are important. All three hows are important. So in the next session we'll come up with more examples so that everybody will be able to relate more. For this, I've just given the feel that modern algos के options के अंदर क्या क्या products है. You have option chain also. You have various option scanners. I think probably you can simply log in and then click on options. It will show all the products what we have in options. You go through them one by one. And for strategy picking, you can go to spread strategy. For creating your own strategy, you can click on strategy builder. Just like once you click, a bull call spread will automatically pre-populate, but you can simply click on this button and clear all the legs what were added. Put your choice of symbol. Once you do that, the ATM will populate here, and then you can do whatever modification you want to do. And let's say I want to buy a naked 17,800 call option. Click on analyze, and once you click on analyze, all the data will be updated here, and you can view your payoff table, payoff chart, and you can check various other combinations by changing IV. So all of those possibility can be done on a single screen. All right, so now let's go and check few more questions. Um, so should I stop sharing my screen?
Yes, Sanjay, you can stop sharing your screen.
Okay. So
So now,
अगर मैंने सुबह लॉगिन किया, जो स्टॉक आया वो एग्जिट हो जाता है, दूसरा स्टॉक आता है तो वो एग्जीक्यूट होगा. यस सूरज जी, वो एग्जीक्यूट होगा. अगर आपने लॉगिन करके छोड़ दिया है, तो अगर आपका जो भी प्रीवियस ट्रेड था, अगर उसका टारगेट या स्टॉप लॉस जो भी हिट होता है, उसके बाद अगर 315 जो नया सिग्नल आएगा, वो सिस्टम ऑटोमेटिकली एंटर कर देगा. आपको कुछ नहीं करना रहेगा उसके लिए. Would it be for F&O segment also? We've covered that. Means to say, एक से ज्यादा स्टॉक में भी एग्जीक्यूट हो जाएगा ऑटोमेटिकली. यस, एक्टिव पोर्टफोलियो में एक ही स्टॉक आएगा, एंड वीकली पोर्टफोलियो हैव मल्टीपल stocks, so all will be traded at a time. They only have baskets. No, we have baskets, we have option products, we have algo products, and there'll be other products which will also be getting added to Modern Algos platform. So we are continuously upgrading our product portfolio. So it's not only just baskets. Sandeep G, it's free account. Minimum capital for algo portfolio, I think it will be around 3.5 to 4 lakh rupees if you go to a period of less than 6 months. As and when your period or your investment horizon is more, then the requirement of minimum capital will also go up with that. तो कोई भी बास्केट बाई होने के बाद फॉर 1 वीक नेक्स्ट डे कोई बैड न्यूज आता है तो हम एग्जिट ले पाएंगे क्या? यस, यू कैन जस्ट क्लिक ऑन एग्जिट बास्केट, click on complete liquidate, and it will liquidate automatically for you. There is no lock-in period. System will not stop you from exiting. If you buy today, T plus 2, you get your stocks. T plus 3, if you want to exit, it's your choice. Sir, if I have 50,000 only, is it for me or not? Of course, we have baskets starting from 2,500 rupees till 10 lakh rupees. So the amount is not a constraint. We are only trying to provide technology and an automation where everything will be auto managed, so that the chances of you making returns are higher compared to manual management. So that is what we are solving here. When it will be available for option, it is already available. You can log in and check, and a detailed session will be conducting very soon. How many softwares here in choice free of cost to our clients? Kunal, will you be able to answer this?
yes, sir. Actually, first of all, जैसे हमने कहा मॉडर्न एल्गो इज टोटली फ्री फॉर यू फ्रेंड्स. उसके बाद जीपी सिग्नल इज है जो टोटली फ्री है. स्ट्रेटेजीज है जो कैश एंड फ्यूचर में आपके लिए ऑटोमेटेड ट्रेड का ऑप्शन देता है. ऑप्शन स्ट्रेटेजी जो एक नया फीचर है जो हम अभी ऐड कर रहे हैं, जो बहुत ही जल्दी आपको दिखाई देगा. तो ये जितने भी अभी हमने नाम लिए वो टोटली फ्री है, एंड इट्स लाइक वन पैक. जो फीचर्स है वो सारे के सारे आपको वहां पे मिल रहा है.
Thank you, Kunal ji. Our next question is from Abhishek Bajaj. Can we create our own baskets? Very good question, Abhishek. This specific requirement we have also received from Choice Tech guys. So we are working on this, and hopefully we'll have this very soon on the platform where you can create your own basket and then you can execute. And then everything will be the same. It will have the auto management like our baskets how they are having auto management, auto rebalance. The same will apply to the basket what you have created yourself. Is algo trades give me fixed return like past? I will not comment on this, Kunalji, because we cannot say anything about the returns. That you come to the platform, you assess yourself, and then uh, probably you can just work this around, because talking about returns is not something which we should do as a SEBI registered entity. Index trading signals for low amount clients. Yes, we have spread strategies which will require hardly 17 to 25K, which you can take in Nifty and Bank Nifty. Will this work outside India? I mean, trading US markets? No, we don't have US markets as yet. So it's only for the Indian markets. How can I build my own strategy? Mr. Rajendra Yadav, you can go to option strategy builder. You can build your strategy. You can analyze your strategy. Then you can automate your strategy with the entry and exit parameter. All of them can be predefined. When will be app of Modern Algos? Modern Algos already has its own app, but we are in discussion with the Choice team and will be integrating with their app very soon. So the web integration is through, and we have tested thoroughly like both the Choice team and Modern Algos team, and then we are coming back to you. So once it is live with the Choice app, then definitely you'll get a notification from the Choice team. How algo decide best profit and correct time and screen? See, this is a myth. It is not that algo can do everything great. But who's creating the algo? Ultimately, a human is creating the algo, right? It's not that somebody is sitting and deciding that what is the best time. So best time or best profit can be searched and decided based on the historical data. Need not to be same in the future. The way it had worked in the past and does not guarantee the same way it will perform in the future. So you should not have these kind of notion in your head, because these are something which are just myth according to me. I'm really sorry about that, but better you should not have these kind of set of thoughts, because there's no best time in the market and there's no worst time in the market. So can we do algo trading in derivative and market volatility at peak? Yes, you can do it. If you can have your trade and exhibit. See, if you want to do an option selling and if you want to play in options, if there is no volatility, then probably option seller will not enjoy. Enjoy meaning like his risk reward and the time decay or various other things will not that faster. So definitely, if you are a derivative trader, then for me, for any derivative trading, the volatility is the best friend. If you can gauge the volatility properly, then probably the chances of making profit are more in derivative trading. Then Sanjeev Kumar said, what's the difference between our algo trade and other? See, that's a very vague question, Sanjeev. If you go into that, then I can talk about for a half an hour, because I know about my platform. So I don't know about others. And I know what is happening in the market, but I don't do the comparison, because I will not allow anybody to come and check my backend, neither anybody else will allow me. So I should not comment on this. Everybody is doing their part, everybody is putting their hard work to create technology wherein like the traders and investors will be able to make money by using the technology power, not by some vague strategy where I promise something and then I say that you'll be able to make money. No, we are solving the issues what you are facing when you do the trading, so that you'll be able to you don't need to think about those trading functionality or trading issues. You only have to focus on your strategy. If algo trading in the future, this platform is really helpful. Waiting for option strategy demo and index. Thank you, Gaurav. Definitely you can explore, and whatever you require in option trading, definitely I think Modern Algo should be able to provide you all the functionalities. Modern Algo link is not showing in Jiffy on mobile app, so I've already answered that. Do we have option product also? I've answered that. Do we get access to Jiffy app? I think yes. नो प्लीज ऑप्शन नहीं बर्बाद कर दिया. Screen is not option is really is any learning platform valuable for algo trading with this platform? I think, Kunal, now the questions are more or less same. So probably we should end the session today, and we'll plan for our option session very soon, and then we'll communicate with the audiences so that we can have a detailed discussion in the options and algo features with the various examples.
थैंक यू संजय जी फॉर वंडरफुल सेशन एंड आपने जो डिटेल डिस्कशन किया, डिटेल ब्रीफ किया, इन डेप्थ डिस्कशन किया अबाउट मॉडर्न एल्गोस के लिए हमारे जितने भी फ्रेंड्स हैं उन सबको एक बात बताना चाहता हूँ कि जब वॉलेटिलिटी हाई होती है तो बट ऑब्वियसली कोई भी एल्गो प्लेटफॉर्म होता है उसमें लॉस होने के चांसेस भी बढ़ जाते हैं। बट अगर आपके पास एक ऐसा प्लेटफॉर्म है जहां पे आप प्रॉफिट लॉक करके चलना चाहते हो इन टर्म्स ऑफ प्रीमियम, इन टर्म्स ऑफ रूपी, इन टर्म्स ऑफ परसेंटेज, इन टर्म्स ऑफ एब्सोल्यूट वैल्यू और इन टर्म्स ऑफ स्पॉट वैल्यू, तो हो सकता है कि उस वॉलेटिलिटी में आप बच सकते हो। एंड फ्रेंड्स, मॉडर्न एल्गो वही फीचर्स आपको ऑप्शन ट्रेडिंग में देने जाने वाला है, जिसका डिटेल डिस्कशन एक वेबिनार हम 19 सितंबर रखने वाले हैं। उसकी लिंक, उसका मेल, उसका व्हाट्सएप जो भी होगा आपको बहुत ही जल्दी मिल जाएगा। एंड वंस अगेन लेट मी टेल यू फ्रेंड्स, ये संजय जी ने आपको जो भी फीचर्स बताया है वो सारे के सारे फीचर्स एक सिस्टमेटिक ट्रेडिंग को लेके है, क्योंकि आज के दिन में हेक्टिक टाइम में हम उतना टाइम नहीं निकाल पाते हमारे ट्रेडिंग पार्ट के लिए। लेकिन अगर आप एक सिस्टमेटिक ट्रेडिंग करके चलते हो जहां पे मॉडल तो आपको एक ऐसा बढ़िया सा प्लेटफॉर्म दे रहा है जहां पे आपको सिर्फ 10 मिनट या 15 मिनट निकालना है आफ्टर योर फ्री टाइम, ड्यूरिंग योर फ्री टाइम, जहां पे अगर आप एक फिक्स अमाउंट कर सकते हो कि मुझे इतना ही इन्वेस्टमेंट करना है फॉर द स्टॉक, या मुझे ये पर्टिकुलर स्ट्रेटेजी कल जाके करनी है एंड वही कल मैं लूंगा। तो अगर आप पूरा का पूरा होमवर्क अगर कर लेते हो तो जो भी क्वेश्चन रेज हुए हैं कि ऑप्शन ने बर्बाद कर दिया है, ऑप्शन में हमें बहुत सारा लॉस हुआ है, तो ये क्वेश्चन बहुत हद तक हम सॉल्व कर सकते हैं। इट जस्ट रिक्वायर लिटिल बिट ऑफ होमवर्क बिफोर द मार्केट ओपनिंग। ओके, एंड अगेन आई एम टेलिंग यू, हम बहुत ही जल्दी 19 सितंबर को मैं आपको डेट बता देता हूं जहां पे हम ऑप्शन को लेके एक वेबिनार करने वाले हैं। एंड फ्रेंड्स, बिलीव मी, जैसा संजय जी ने बताया है ऑप्शन के बारे में, आई थिंक संजय जी ने आपको उसका 10 से 15% ही बताया है, ओनली 10 to 15% ही आपको बताया है। एक बहुत ही बड़ी दुनिया ऑप्शन को लेके जो संजय जी मॉडर्न एल्गो के बारे में 19 सितंबर के बारे में आपको 19 सितंबर को आपको इसके बारे में बताने वाले, जहां पे आपको ऑप्शन चेन एनालिसिस है, स्प्रेड स्ट्रेटेजी एनालिसिस है, आप कैसे स्कैल्पिंग कर सकते हो, अगर आप प्रॉफिट बुक करना चाहते हो तो किस हिसाब से आप प्रॉफिट बुक करके चल सकते हो, अगर आप प्रॉफिट लॉक करना चाहते हो, अगर आप एग्जिस्टिंग स्ट्रेटेजी में भी अगर आप लेग को स्विच करना चाहते हो, ये जितने भी फीचर्स है सारे के सारे फीचर्स के बारे में संजय जी आपको इन डेप्थ बताने वाले हैं। सो फ्रेंड्स, प्लीज स्टे ट्यून्ड विद अस। 19 सितंबर को हम अगेन मिलेंगे विद option trading platform and with option trading strategies and all. Thank you a lot. And once again, let me say thanks to Mr. Sanjay Baid, Rishikesh, Sri
Thank you.
Aman and Ankit Jain. Thank you so much.
Thank you, everyone.
Thank you, everyone.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risk. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.